G'day guys, my name's Alex. I'm the GM here at Frank Mac's. We're down on George Street in the Rocks. Today I have made you our signature Irish coffee called the Tip of the Hat. Starts off traditional. We use 45 mils of good old Slain Irish whiskey. And then we have a coffee infused dandelion and burdock syrup. For you that don't know, burdock is a root usually we'll use for tea. So we've taken that root with some dandelion, made a sugar syrup, infused that into the coffee. We pour out 75 mils and then we layer that with a cream float as well, a 3-bean garnish. I really like this one because of, I guess, the fruity textures that come through from the dandelion and the burdock. For me, it just gives it a bit of a lift to your normal Irish coffee, your classic. But the Slain definitely comes through, which is probably the most important part when you're drinking an Irish coffee. Perfect for any time of the day, any kind of weather, whether it's hot or cold. This will surely do the trick for you.